Hey everyone, this is Loli. Welcome and welcome back. How are you doing today? Anyway, did you know that we can take this brand new, stunning charger place from Dollar Tree and turn it into some show-stopping centerpieces? We are going to do that. These DIYs are not only easy, but they can be done in minutes. Are you ready? Let's get started. All right, friends, for this one, we're going to use this beautiful charger plate that I just found at Dollar Tree. I am in love with it. Look how pretty that is. We're going to use also some of these candles, actually all three of these candles from Dollar Tree that we got for $5. They are battery operated, and you need 3 of these AAA batteries for each one of these. But you got to see how beautiful and bright this is. I was so pleasantly surprised. Look at that. And they flicker. Look at that. I love it. We added the candles. We added the batteries to all of them, and look how they look. Oh my gosh. Oh, anyway, so here I'm taking these bundles that I got from Walmart last year for $1.48, removing those tags, and I'm going to position them on the 3 areas in which the candles meet. These has clips in the back that you can hook them to your tree. I don't want to remove them because I might be using this later for something else. This is something that I love about this project. You can change it every year if you need to. You can break it apart when you're done for the season and put it away. And next year you can do the same thing, or you can change out your greenery. So this is super easy to do, and it's also not permanent, so you can always change it. So once I added all 3 to my piece here, I thought, oh my gosh, this looks so cute. But I did not like those empty areas there. So I took some of these ornaments from Dollar Tree, they're kind of medium sized, and I added 2 on the 2 empty spaces there with the charger plate indents. And I'm doing the same thing on the other side. And then behind the bigger candle, I ended up adding 3 of the balls instead. I don't know why I always want to giggle when I say balls. Anyway. Anyway, so here we are using 2 of the matte color ones and 1 of the glittery ones. And that is it for this one. Look how cute that looks. Let me know in the comment section what do you think of this one. I absolutely love it. Hey everyone, this is Loli. Welcome and welcome back. How are you doing today? Anyway, did you know that we can take this brand new, stunning charger place from Dollar Tree and turn it into some show-stopping centerpieces? We are going to do that. These DIYs are not only easy, but they can be done in minutes. Are you ready? Let's get started. For this one, we're going to use this square tray from Dollar Tree that has snowflakes all over it. Look how cute that is. And some of these beautiful candle holders, they are pink and they're that Mercury glass also. You're going to remove the tags from the bottom and line them up on the tray. Next, I took some of these Christmas trees from Dollar Tree. They have the little candies in the bottom and they're pink and so cute. I'm going to take 2 of them, the 2 that are pretty much the same size, and I'm positioning them right there in between the 2 candle holders right here. Then we're going to take some of these snowflakes that I got from Hobby Lobby. They were originally $1.99, but I got them at 50% off, so I paid just 99 cents for these. And they come in a pack of 8. I was picking here 3 of the same, but in this pile, there was actually 2 different kinds. Here I figured out when I was going to glue it together, glue it onto each one of the candle holders, I glued the first one on there. Then I went to go glue the second one, and I realized, wait, these are different. So we're going to put this one in the middle since I only had one of those. And I'm going to put the ones that match each other on the ends of those candle holders. And I'm using hot glue here because I intend to use battery operated candles instead of real candles. If you use real candles, use a different kind of glue. All right, so once everything was nicely arranged and I'm happy with it, I am going to take some Epsom salt and I'm going to put the Epsom salt all in the bottom of the tray. I'm just going to make sure to go around everything, and don't worry about covering every single nook and cranny now. I'm going to go in later on and do that, but here I wanted to make sure that I had enough so I can spread it around. And what I did here to the front, I'm going to do the back as well. And then I'm going to go ahead and work it in, making sure that every piece is covered and that my snowflake, because now the essence are snowflakes. What snowflakes? There's snow medals. How about that? Are nice and covering all of the bottom section of that tray. And then I took some of these candles that I got from Dollar Tree. They're so cute. I used 2 in a pack, and then I had one left over from a different one. And we are going to position them inside of those candle holders. And just like that, bing, bam, boom, this is done. Look how cute these are. Let me know what you think. Friend, will you mind doing me a favor? Just check to see if you still subscribe to my channel. I have seen that YouTube unsubscribes people off of people's channels after a while. I don't know why. Just double check and make sure you're subscribed, because I do have a lot of viewers that are not subscribed versus the amount that I subscribe and the amount of views I get each month. So I will really love it for you to subscribe if you have not done so. And if you have and YouTube unsubscribed you, I would love it for you to check as well. And please hit the subscribe button. It truly helps my channel grow. Thank you so much. For this one, I'm going to use this beautiful charger. Look at the cutouts on that. The designs are so, so pretty. So pretty. All right, so for this one, we are going to go with the theme. We're going to be using Christmas trees. I'm going to take a variety of different Christmas trees from Dollar Tree and arrange them in this charger. All of these I got last year after the season for 50% off, so I am so glad that I have all these. I'm going to go ahead and remove that tag and position the big one there towards the back. Then I have 2 of these other bottle brush trees, and I'm going to put these in front of the one big Christmas tree, but beside it as well, as you see right there. Then I took the 2 other small Christmas tree that comes from the cobblestone collection at Dollar Tree, and those are going to go here in the front. I did leave a space in the middle because I do have some plans for that. Once I was happy with the placement, I'm going to go ahead and add a generous amount of hot glue to the bottom of the trees and position them where I chose to put them. I jumped the gun and did this before painting my bottom sections white. If you do that, go ahead and paint your little trunks white first. Just leave and paint in the bottoms, and then stick your trees onto your charger plate. It just makes it a lot easier. I had to come back in with some of my Rust-Oleum linen white chalk paint and go ahead and paint those trunks with a very small brush. So if you can, go ahead and save yourself the hassle and just paint them ahead of time and then stick them onto your charger plate. All right, so here I'm showing you the paint color that I used, and I had to go in with the brush and paint all of these sections very carefully. Once that dried, I came in with this snow from Dollar Tree, and look at the difference in the colors. This one is so white and this one is so iridescent. But anyway, we're gonna go with the whiter one because this is like a winter wonderland kind of theme. So I just pretty much just dumped it all around all of the trees, trying to get into all of the little leeways there. on the nook and crannies, the back of the trees, the front, pretty much everywhere. And then I took just my hands and just spread it around. And I just made it thick enough that it will not go over that lip on the charger plate. For the center here, I want to use one of these candles that I got from Dollar Tree. And I'm going to just position it right there in the middle. We need a little bit more light. So I took some of these fairy lights that I ordered from Temu. I'm going to put them in my description box below. So if you're interested on getting them, you are able to do that. It has 3 different settings. And the cable is so much longer than the ones that you get at Dollar Tree. And look at the size of that power pack as well. So I prefer using these for my projects now. I went over and unraveled it as I went along and kept coiling it around all of the snow portion, all around the different trees on here until it was completely covering that section, and every portion of this winter wonderland scene was brightened by the fairy lights. And if you notice here in the beginning, I threaded the fairy lights through one of the openings on the charger plate, so that way I will be able to hide the power bank right there underneath of the lip of the charger plate. My friend, if you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit the like button. It truly helps me out. And subscribe and hit the notification bell so YouTube notifies you each time that I upload a new video. All these things are free and they mean the world to me. Let me know in the comments where you're watching from. I love to know how far my videos are reaching. Thank you so much. And look at it. This is what it looks with the light on. It looks so pretty. I can't wait for you to see it with the light off. It is truly magical. Let me know in the comment section, what do you think about this one? My friend, as always, thank you so much for watching. Be blessed, be a blessing, and craft responsibly. And if you enjoyed today's content, here is some more videos you are sure to enjoy. Thank you again so much for watching. You're amazing. Bye.